Hello jewels, it's Ruby Retrograde and I'm doing my first ever unboxing of this Kickstarter that just came my way after much waiting, the Phantom deck by Muci. I actually opened it a little bit earlier and then thought to myself I probably should make a video of it because this was exciting to me and I figured that this would be exciting for someone else. So as you can see, the box is very nice, and also I must say that the shipping time from the Ukraine to here rivals that of Amazon or other places I've shopped at locally, because yes, it went through a DHL, and these people, I have no idea on what sort of gas they run on, but they were extremely fast. I think between the time I got the first notification that it was shipped out of Ukraine to over here in Canada, I believe maybe no more than 3 days passed. So very fast. As you can see, the box that it came in, if anybody anybody else had done a Kickstarter, the creator did send some picture of the box, but here it is here with a very nice design. I'm going to have a hard time, I admit, to go recycle it because it's so nice. I'm gonna find a way to use it, even if it's to keep the deck actually in there or not. So when you open it, you have on the side a very nice note, a thank you, and just explaining that everything was crafted with a great attention to details, and you know, and it also says please consider reusing the box or recycle it. And for myself, I'm going to go and reuse it. In the box we got a little nice thank you note with something that was really nice. It's something I've been looking to get myself, but you know, it's a nice start. A card holder for the deck, so that will be very useful. I'm very glad that we have that. The deck, ooh, I'm so excited to open this. So see, I haven't opened yet, so even though I was excited, I waited. We have plenty of peanuts. I don't believe they're edible, so let's not try to eat that. We also get a little note, start your phantom journey. So just, you know, a little pad to write notes. And see, the thing that I'm a little bit surprised is this Wisdom Oracle deck. I do not remember if I ordered this as an add-on, and I wouldn't put it past me to have ordered it and immediately forgot about it because I was very much excited to get this deck. But in any case, so I'll probably either make a side video about the Oracle deck or include it with this video. And then deep inside the sea of peanuts, we have this very pretty postcard. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to be a particular card, but in any case, it's very nice. I'm going to put it right here. Now, let's put the box aside and start with the deck. All right, I'm back. I am back. Sorry, I had to actually find something to crack open the plastic film, and we have done so. Here's the box. Very nice, shiny, nice cardboard. Doesn't feel too flimsy. I think it has some little foil accent also on the box. Let me just check real quick. Yeah, it does actually. So as you can see, when we open it, the deck and the guidebook. So should we start with the guidebook? Let's take a little look at the guidebook. All right, I'm sorry, I can smell like fresh paper from here. So here we have the summary, a little bit about the deck, what it's used for. Let me see what else we have. Of course, the meanings of the card, all in color. I like when the guidebooks are colored. To me, it's kind of nice. I like it. All right, and the QR code for the guidebook. Ooh. So, and you know what? I think I like it when it's stapled together like that, rather than an actual, like a mini book form, almost like those workbooks, because I feel like I'm not as afraid to like crack the spine of it, like, you know, just when it's just a staple down the spine. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the deck. The deck. It's wrapped in plastic because, you know, they just want to make us wait, but at least this one is easier to break open. Let's try that. Woo. All right, let's go. Look at this. So now we have the cards. Okay. They're not, the sides are not foiled in a particular color, and there's no frame, frame or borders. So let's put the box here, and let's look at these cards. In the back, which I think is very nice. Just, you know, handling the cards, like, just, you know, getting a feel for them. They have some flex to it. They don't have that strength that you would find in, say, what would I compare it to? It's a little bit on the thinner side. Let's say if you were to compare soul cards or Darkwood Tarot, if you're familiar with the thickness of those. They're not as thick as, definitely not as thick as Modern Witch, sorry. So, but there's some flex. Now, I'll probably be careful when I shuffle them, because I tend to riffle shuffle and do bridge shuffling sometimes, but I'll probably try shuffling them to see how they feel, but I'll definitely be careful with them. So let's speed this up, or just like still at the majors. I'm just looking at it. I'll call the original version, and this one. Well, they are sticking a little bit, so I don't know if that'll be something that will happen often, or it's just because it's the first time that they're being opened from the box. I like this version of the Nine of Cups. The Wands. And the Swords. Nope. The Queen of Swords is one of my favorites, and I like her, how she's depicted here. If I can zoom in here, there you go. It feels very powerful, very almost superhero-like. And then we have an extra cards, if I can actually grab them. The first one is the Artist. I really like it. It's really nice. Very beautifully done. The other one is the Reader. If I remember correctly, in the campaign, it was mentioned that the Reader could be used as the card to signify the querent. So the person making the, like, asking for the reading, whether it be someone that you're doing a reading to or yourself. But I like it. So there you have it. Here is the deck, the Phantom deck. It's finally here. It's out of Kickstarter and it's in my hands. I'm so happy. As you can see, it has a good bit of flags. You know what? I think if I shuffle, I'm not going to be too worried about it, but a little measure, because to take them individually, they do feel a little bit on the thin side. And as you can see, it has some gloss to it. So, you know, if you're taking pictures, it might be a bit difficult. But otherwise, they are beautiful. And maybe I'll make a separate video about shuffling them or seeing what kind of reading I get with them. But as of now, hopefully you liked my unboxing and flip through about the Phantom deck. And I'll talk to you next time on another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.